I'm gonna record some fucked up footage on Dakota Wynn's camera.
Hey friends, I bet you're having a goddamn shitty fucking day because that's what most humans have most of the goddamn time. What you gotta do is remember, you only get to be you one time, you dumb freak. You only got one life to be you. When you're having a shitty goddamn day, you need to recenter yourself on who you want to be. Because you only get to be one person, one life, one time through this true life. You are in charge of you.
We're talking things on a rock that feel pain and we feel emotion. We feel love. And we need to spread it. We need to spread this love because it's the best thing you can do. And it's so amazing that we can do this. We can make people smile just by saying nice things and being nice. Why would we waste our time doing anything else? Why would you waste your time doing anything different but making people happy?
I wish I was the sky so when I cried it was like rain. Life is happening right now. This is life. It is happening. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know what the point of my life is or what the point of your life is or what the point of any of this is. Go do scary things in the dark with your friends at night because you only live once. Smile while you have teeth.
MTV Cribs, welcome to my home. It's goddamn planet Earth.
I want to make you so happy. I want you to be the happiest person in the world, and I want to be one of the reasons you're smiling. There's stars in the sky, and there's stars in my eyes.
I'm gonna take my mom on a date. That's right, I'm dating my own mom because that's how I treat a good lady. It's a stepping stone, you know. Date my mom, then I might work up to date a different girl. My mom's romantic.
Take me home, Stardust. Take me home.
You gotta find a way to get back to spreading that positivity. You gotta find a way to just be nice to people, to continue to be nice to people, even if you feel a little bit low energy or a little bit sad. It's time to pump that fricked up life through your goddamn veins because you only get to truly live one time.
You're never safe. You are never safe from a vampire attack.